criminal defense attorney Joe Tully. You're standing by in California. Thanks for being with us. So that video that the jurors watched, that took place in Tennessee. This is literally hours, 2 days from when his son dies there in New Jersey. And the prosecution points to this as being him fleeing because he knows it's an admission of guilt in that way. Talk to me about that.
Sure. The prosecution is always able to argue flight as consciousness of guilt. So they will do that in every case where they have it. There's jury instructions that specifically talk to that issue and allow the prosecution to argue that. It's a very forceful argument for them to make in closing. On the other hand, really logically, in any case, not even just this case, the defense is always able to argue that there are other reasons for this. Some people can be innocent and scared and not want to be convicted of something they didn't do. So just because you're running from something, it means you're scared if you are running, but it doesn't necessarily make you guilty. And in that scenario, usually the prosecution has the stronger argument. So in this case, we got to see the body camera video. We got to see sort of like him. What stuck out to me was him trying to bro it up with the officers at first, like, "Hey, look, I played football," and kind of do this insincere connection with them right away. Again, it's not a sign of guilty in all cases, but it looked very much insincere and like he was trying to cover something up, and putting that in light of this whole thing of him running, the video, I think it was very damning evidence against him.
Yeah, there was a lot of video. There were pictures of injuries on the mom's phone. There was the video of the treadmill. And then also the jury learned that he turned off his phone or put it in airplane mode while he left New Jersey.
Yeah, after searching for can my phone be tracked while it's in airplane mode, with you and I just talked about last segment with the Google searches. So there's definitely some running there, and the prosecution's always going to have a great argument, ladies and gentlemen. Why would you run unless it was related to consciousness of guilt? And it's a very powerful argument, not only because it goes to consciousness of guilt, but it also goes to that this person is a coward. They did something wrong and they're running from it. And I think it speaks to a very deep level of a human when you're put in this position to judge someone else, especially over very heinous accusations, charges of taking actions which lead to the death of your own child. So, I mean, this is really heinous allegations, and we have all of these actions that the prosecution is able to put in front of the jury where the accused doesn't want to take responsibility, where the accused is shirking responsibility, where the accused is trying to run away from the situation. And I think all that led to the jury's verdict in this case.
I agree with you, and we're going to find out what happens to him next, because that sentencing hearing scheduled for 1:30 Eastern. Court TV will be on it for you, so don't go anywhere. We do have to fit in a short break. Coming up, breaking news in the Justin Timberlake driving while intoxicated case. Plus, Court TV senior producer Barbara McDonald joins us here on set to talk about the latest developments in the Delphi murders case. You're not going to want to miss that. There's a lot going on today on this Friday.